Welcome to Not Factory Approved. So today's adventure, even though I did the work back in July, and now you might hear some wind blowing out there, it's shaping up for wintertime. It's in November, but I thought I better catch up on this one, and maybe it'll help you with some returning stuff to wood finish. So this is tried a few different ones. This is the best one I found so far. Easiest to use, seems to work the best. It's made by a company called Swing in Montreal, Quebec. And all I can find is it says Fabrique au Canada and www.circa1850.com. So it cost about the same as any other paint stripper. Seems to work quite well. These were painted previously, and you can see there's a little bit of paint left in there, but that's the porous areas of the wood. So to go any further would, I think, be destructive. So we just applied the material, let it soak for a couple of minutes. It softens the paint right up, and then we either use a small hand wire brush like that. You can see this one's filled with paint goo. Or light touch the drill on high speed, the battery drill on high speed with this brass brush. So a brass hand wire brush there, or a brass spinning brush. So I think those drills run at around 2,000 max speed, something like that. Might be 3, but I don't think it's that high. And just a light touch running back and forth. Scrape off what you can loosely with a paint scraper. Make sure that the edges aren't curled, or it will dig into the wood quite nicely. Sharp beveled edge, no sharp edges on the corners, and that should do most of it. And then the contoured areas like this, you can take off with the drill and the wire brush or the hand brush. So that's what it came down to, which is pretty good. We'll just call that patina. And then I sprayed it with Minwax, and that part of the episode's coming up. So far, this experiment's looking good. So I took this Minwax antique oil and the touch-up spray gun, running it at 40 psi. I put the Minwax in the gun undiluted, and that's what it looks like. Those bits of white that I did not bother trying to destroy the wood to get out, so we'll just have to live with that. Call it an antiquing patina or something. So that's those 5. And about 20 more to go. And it takes like no time at all. It took much longer with the rubbing it on or trying to paint it on. Way faster. And a better job too. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or even notify, or any of the above, or all of the above. Thank you.